What if the rain stopped forever and the only one who could bring it back was a tiny tortoise? In the heart of the forest, the rivers vanished and hope began to die. But one clever animal had a plan to trick the mighty elephant. This is the story of how the tortoise stole the rain. Stay with me, because by the end, you will see why even the smallest can change the world. Long, long ago, before people had cities or roads, there was a time when the earth was thirsty. The sun burned hot every day. The rivers dried up. The lakes became mud. The trees dropped their leaves. The animals had nothing to drink. The lion's roar was weak. The zebra's stripes looked dusty. The birds didn't sing. The monkeys stopped playing. Even the crocodile's river was gone. The animals held a meeting under the old baobab tree. "We need water," cried antelope. "My crops are crying," said lioness. "The trees are dying," whispered giraffe. Then wise old owl flew down and said, "There is something you must know. The rain spirit have locked the rain in the sky. Only the animals has the key." Who has the key?" the animals shouted. "It is the elephant." Gasp spread through the crowd. Elephant was the strongest animal in the forest. He had big ears and a loud voice, but he was also proud and greedy. A long time ago, the rain spirit came down from the clouds and said to him, "Elephant, you are strong. We give you the key to the rain drum. But remember, only use it when the animals are united and ask in peace." Elephant had taken the silver key and hid it deep in his cave behind large stones, and now he did not want to share it. When the animals came to beg him, Elephant only laughed. "Why should I help you? I have water in my cave. Go lick the rocks or suck the wind." The animals felt hopeless. Some became sick. Some left the forest. But one animal was still watching and thinking. Old Tortoise was not strong. He was not fast. But he was clever and he had time. He listened to Elephant. He watched his cave, and then one night he whispered to himself, "It's time." The next morning, Tortoise dragged himself to Elephant's cave. "Oh, great Elephant," he said in a slow, soft voice, "I want to be strong like you. You are the smartest and strongest. Can I learn from you?" Elephant smiled wide. His ears flapped proudly. "Ha ha ha ha. Of course. Come and stay in my cave, little shell walker. I will teach you strength." That night, while Elephant told stories of battles and roared with laughter, Tortoise pretended to sleep. When Elephant finally snored like thunder, Tortoise got up. He moved slowly but quietly past the sleeping giant. Behind the big rocks, something shone in the moonlight. It was the silver key. Tortoise grabbed it, held his breath, and tiptoed out. His heart beat fast. Would Elephant wake up? Would he step on him? But Elephant snored on like a lazy drum. Outside, Tortoise looked up at the sky. The next morning, Tortoise walked to the tallest iroko tree in the whole forest. It was so high, it touched the clouds. Tortoise took a deep breath and began to climb. He climbed slowly. The wind pushed him. The leaves slapped him. Birds mocking. "Where are you going, old shell?" they laughed. But Tortoise didn't stop. His legs hurt. His shell felt heavy, but he kept going. At last, after many hours, he reached the top. The sky was close. He raised the silver key and shouted, "Rain spirit, I bring the key. The animals are dying. Let the rain fall." The sky shook. Clouds rumbled. A deep voice echoed. "Did the animal ask in peace?" Tortoise bowed his head. Yes, they came together. They begged Elephant, but he refused. "I come not for myself, but for all." There was silence. Then the sky split open. Boom! Thunder rolled. Lightning flashed. Then the rain began to fall. It rained for 7 days and 7 nights. The rivers filled. The grass grew green. The animals danced and laughed. Tortoise saved us, they sang. Wise and brave Tortoise. Even the sky smiled, but far away in his cave, Elephant woke up to find the key was gone. What? He stormed through the forest. He shouted and roared, but when he saw the animals happy, he became quiet. The rain spirit appeared in the clouds and said, Elephant, you were choosing to protect the rain, but your greed made the earth suffer. The key will belong to no one now. Rain will come when it must. And just like that, the silver key vanished. From that day, rain came and went on its own. Tortoise became a hero, not for his strength, but for his cleverness and courage. And Elephant, well, the animals never begged him again. Sometimes, even the biggest can be fooled by the smallest. Moral of the story: even a small, slow creature can change the world. Greed can make you lose everything, and cleverness, not strength, is the greatest power of all.